There's a birdie. Kiki. Hi, kids. How are you? You guys, I love it. You guys are too. I gotta find. Dude, you on hold? Alright. Look, see, I'm laying out. It's a sunny day. I'm just celebrating that it's a goddamn sunny day, man. I am so happy. You know me, as soon as the sun comes out, I'm like the college kids. I gotta lay out, man. You know what I mean? It just gives energy. So I figured I'll go fishing for a little bit. These special ones, like the tops of the pineapples, you just kind of string it up there. And I want to take a look, see what I can get. Not many people can go fishing in between the houses, but oh. Here you go. These things are crazy. Well, oh, there's one. There's one right there. Oh my God. Oh, yo. Oh, got all. I'm just gonna leave it there. Who the hell did this to my house? What? God damn it. This isn't my house. Whose tree is that? This is not my beautiful house. This is not my beautiful wife. That's my mail, though, I'll tell you that. God damn. See, I can't let you know exactly where I am, because this guy's house is secret. I think something's on my fishing line. God bless America, land that I love. Stand beside, there's a truck it's been missing. And guide her. I think I got some. I got mail. I'm afraid of the mail, yo. Oh, I got some. Oh, he's right there. I'm just gonna let it. Hey, you guys. I got one. They're biting on pineapples. No, not now. I'm gonna stock this baby.